Hey everybody, I'm Silent Killer 2014. We're all back with The Walking Dead Season 1, Part 10, I think. Let's get into it. We just talked to Kenny over there, and now we're going to talk to Lily.
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry. I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad, it didn't help.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
Where are you from?
I work at Warner Robins, the Air Force base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot?
Nah, just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch of shitheads and bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane, if I'm lucky. You?
I work at the UGA.
I work at a college. Wait, is it a college? I guess.
Was anyone here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh.
Do you know anybody here?
Yeah, the owners, they were, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an
What's
old
your mom
couple in
dead?
the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't really dead.
He's got it too. Ah, fuck you.
Yeah, he doesn't mean it.
It's just that
Yeah?
never mind. I'm sure he's a good guy.
He is. He just has his issues. Where's her
I
mom?
feel like being nice.
Savannah, I think.
Oh, you guys aren't together.
Oh, no, I'm not her dad. I found her in a house we're getting out of Atlanta. She'd been surviving by herself. I think the girl's parents didn't make it.
Oh,
I heard an answering message. They were in Savannah. She was home with the sitter. It wasn't good.
well, she's lucky to have you.
Thanks.
What do you think about all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
We need to get together and get through this.
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.
Okay. I'm gonna go talk to Colleen now. Wait. Door. Oh, another candy bar. Let's go,
We just need to get
let's
back
give
to
him a candy bar.
It's not much, but here. For the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweet, Lee.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Ooh, what's this?
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead.
What? That's not even nothing left. About it.
Try to get some rest.
How can I with those things out there?
Hey, Colleen.
You're a pretty good shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
Yep.
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
I can't tell.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah.
That
That
guy.
guy said-
Yeah, can you believe it? Those creeps, or ghouls, or whatever the hell they are, they were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are going to be, I suppose.
He's kind of cute, in that parents' business sort of way.
Huh?
Oh, nothing.
How'd you end up here?
We drove up to cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Okay.
What are you messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, let me have a look.
No, what about power? No. What about over here? No! This one. Turn around. What about that? I don't know why I did that. That one. This!
There are no batteries in this thing.
What now?
You know that there are no batteries in that thing.
Of course. Yeah. No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
On that note, we're gonna stop here. Please subscribe to me, comment down below, and please like this video. Thank you. Bye.